welcome to part 3 of Corn Harvest 2023. So it's been about a week, a little over a week. We harvested half, as you remember in the last video. We had a lot of rain, cold weather. In the meantime, the dryer setup is set up, and we are now drying the first half of the corn. And then after we get our wet bin emptied right here, then we will harvest, pick the rest, fill the wet bin again, and then we'll do the same cycle over again. If it looks like the fan is moving slow, I will tell you, in real life here, that thing is moving really fast. So don't let the screen deceive you. So what we have over here, so we have our, this is a Mikata hopper bin. It's our wet bin, running into a WR80 26-foot Westfield auger, which takes me to the, this is a 6-column Super Beat Energy Miser dryer. And it's got a conveyor in the bottom instead of an auger run out. If you like that. And then it drops it down into a 56-foot Westfield auger, which takes it up to this bin. We call it the Chief bin. It's our biggest bin right now. I will do a bin tour at some point after harvest, and I'll explain more about our bin site and the future of our bin site. But what we have that running off of is this. This is a homemade motor cart we bought at an auction many years ago. It's a very nice electric variable speed PTO drive for this auger. And it's all powered off of that right there, off the dryer. So then it's timed to dump. When the dry cycle is done, it'll dump into the hopper, take it into the cooling bin. So yeah, that's how you do it. Warming up. Alright guys, it's next morning, early morning. Combine's warming up. Ready to pick corn. Hopefully we can get it done. Stay tuned and enjoy. Alright, so we've got about like, I don't know, 35 acres left. We did 37. More like 34, maybe, no, 35. We did like 37 acres. The last time there's about 35 left. So we should hopefully get her done. Shouldn't be too hard. So combine ready to go. Just long passes from here, no end rows. So yeah, wet bin is empty, so we're just gonna fill that up with corn again. And yeah, so. Let's turn up the heat. There we go. Alright, so we filled up the wagon and the combine's full. We even cab corned a bit. So yeah. This we moved on to the 4486 Jacobson seed variety, and this is doing a lot better. So I'm impressed. I think just keep going with it. Yeah. First load of the day, unloaded. Always look both ways. Make sure nobody's coming. And then carry your precious cargo down the road. There's a combine. What we do is just pull the wagon right here underneath the unloading auger. That's how you do it. There he comes. He is full, if you can't tell. That's a full tank, and we've been cab corning this whole time. This corn is yielding great, and we're capturing a lot of it, most of it, actually almost all of it, with the Drago, the Olamach Drago. There is no better corn head than the Drago. Nice. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. God bless.